Hi, I'm Obu, founder of Smart Money Solutions and author of Smart Women, Smart Habits. Have you ever felt like you're juggling finances and wondering how to make money work for you? Well, my Money Magnet Activation program is the perfect solution. It's not just about numbers, it's about confidence. We'll equip you with real everyday skills, things like budgeting, investing, and setting achievable money goals. Financial freedom is very personal and don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Financial freedom is not just for millionaires. If you earn a certain level of income, you can achieve it too. We all carry myths about money. Things like money is hard to come by or investing is for the pros. But this program is about ditching all those limiting beliefs. Imagine making financial decisions with a newfound confidence. That's what you'll get by joining this course. And you won't be doing it alone. Join a community of amazing women sharing experiences and insights. Together, we rise. So here's my invitation for you to join by clicking the button below and let's make your money work for you. I hope to see you on the inside.